Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the navigation button layout on this device. So here you can see the buttons, the first one, recent button, home button and the back button. So let me show you how to change the navigation button layout. Simply go to settings, tap on the option display. Now scroll down, here you can see the option navigation bar, tap on this one. Here you can see the button is selected, and here you can see the option more options, tap on this one. You can see two type of button layout you can see here. You can see the first one, recent, home and back button, that is selected. If you want to change the navigation button layout, you can select the second one. You can see back button, home button and the recent button. You can change the order of navigation button on your Samsung phone like this one. So simply in this way, we can change the navigation button layout on this device. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.